Okay, you guys are not gonna believe your eyes, but this is what happens when you take the joists off to get the foundation right. So what you're gonna see is gonna shock the hell out of you. Let's show it to you. Oh man. Down to the freaking studs. No joists, no nothing. Gotta replace the joists because they were rotten. This is what happens when your joists are rotten. So you guys, just in case you didn't know, because I didn't know, these are joists right here. These, the ones that go sideways. If those are rotten, you gotta take them off and put new ones in. Which in our case, they are rotten. Stay tuned. We'll show you the transformation. We're moving so quickly on this one.